Good morning, students. In your previous classes, you all have done decimals, fractions, etc. So today we will be doing some other thing. Now you all know the factors and multiples. Okay, you have the idea. Now I am giving you one number. I am 2. Okay, multiply this number with 2 again. All right. So what will be the answer? Everybody knows the answer will be 4. You are multiplying 2 with 2 and you are getting your answer 4. All right. Now see here, the number is multiplied by itself. 2 is multiplied by 2. Now I am taking another example. 3 into 3. Let's take 3 into 3. Now see here, 3 is multiplied with itself, again with 3, again with 3, and we get the answer 81 here. Now the same number, when it is multiplied with itself more than one number of time, we can write this in this form also. That means 2 raised to the power 2. That means 2 is multiplied how many times? 2 times. Similarly, 3 raised to the power 4. 3, how many times it is multiplied? 4 times 3 is multiplied here. Alright, 3 is multiplied 4 times here. Alright, so this form of writing, when we have the factors and the number, the digit which is given or the number which is given is multiplied by itself for more than two times, like 2 or more than 2 number of times, then we can write the given expanded form in this form. 2 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power 4. This is known as the exponential form. This is known as the exponential form. Now this part is known as the exponential form. Same way I am writing it here also, exponential form. Okay, this exponential form is also known as the index form, and this is also known as the power form. That means if somebody asks you what is the power form, will you be able to write? So yes, we will be able to write it. So all these three are same, and in general we write it as a raised to the power m. That means where a is multiplied m number of times. Okay, then this form of writing, you all have understood, exponential, index, or the power form. Now these two parts have specific names. The number which is written below, that means the number which is multiplied again and again, okay, that number is known as the base, and the number which is written above right hand side, okay, that number which that shows the number of times it is multiplied is known as the power, okay, or it is also known as the index, or it is also called as the exponent. It is also known as the exponent. So the exponent is having base and the exponent, okay, or we call it as the base and the power. This is how we write down the index form. All right, now suppose the question is given to you, write 5 into 5 into 5 in index form. So what will be my answer? My answer will be 5 raised to the power 3. All right, we can also call it as cube, because for 3 number we use the word cube. All right, or 5 raised to the power 3. Similarly, if it is given to you a into a into a, so we can write this as a raised to the power 4. All right, it's easy. That means to convert the expanded form into the index form. All right, now if the question is given to you, write 3 raised to the power 5 into expanded form. Into expanded form, then we will write this in expanded form using the factors. So how many times 3 is multiplied here? 5 numbers of time. So 3 raised to the power 5 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 5 times we have multiplied it, so we got the answer 3 into 3 into 3. Now after this, if the value is asked, then we will multiply and write down the answer here. This is how we are writing in the expanded form. All right, I think it's clear. All right, now let's take one example here. If the question is given to you 3x, okay, and that is equal to 243, and question is asked to you, find x. So what will be the value of x? Now as I told you, we can write down the given number in the expanded form. So what we will do, we will factorize this in rough column. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, then 327 you will get here. then 3 nines are, then 3 threes are. All right. So 3 raised to power x can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 because we have got already 5 times here. All right. Now this can be written as 3 raised to the power 5. So we are getting here 3 raised to the power x is equal to 3 raised to the power 5 here. All right. Now see here, both the bases are same. When the bases are same, we can have the value of x. So what is the value of x? That means how many times it is multiplied in 243? It is multiplied. 3 is multiplied 5 times. So what is my answer? What is the value of x here? The value of x is 5 here. I think it's clear.